Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Millie the Silent Crafter. I have pre-opened the envelope. Yes, I still have my hand wrapped up because I want to keep it wrapped for safety measures. I don't want to reopen anything. So, ooh, that's pretty. Let me see if I can get what's in it out. Got it. Okay, so we got that. Look at the envelope she made. Ooh, that's pretty. And we have a card inside. And it says Merry Christmas. And I seen her make these. Pretty neat. I might have to make mine next year. And she has a piece of twine here with a piece of green tissue paper. And she made it to where I can reuse it if I wanted to. Okay. And this says, may the season find you among those you love, sharing the time, the twin glories. Ooh, it's curling up. Of generosity and gratitude. She's got a picture of herself, 12/21. YouTube, Millie the Silent Crafter. Thank you for that, Miss Millie. I will see what I can do with that. Let's see what she has in this. This paper, I'm going to put this in my Friends Across the Miles junk journal. Open this carefully. Let's see if we can pull the tape off. Yes, we can. Let's see what she made inside of here. And we have to pull this one up this way. Pretty neat, huh? Nice packaging. Ooh. It's a little snowman, wooden snowman. Well, we may decorate this next year and see what happens. Thank you for that, Miss Millie. And I will use everything else in my Friends Across the Miles junk journal. And this is going to go in my card book that I'm going to make. Okay. And I love the envelope. I might use that next year for mailing mine out. Whoops. Sorry about that. And here's an envelope I saw her make. I saw her make this, this, and this on the live video. So I will try to link her channel down below if I can. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.